Could the future of Bitcoin hinge on the introduction of spot exchange traded funds, ETFs? As we delve into this thought-provoking question, it's essential to take a step back and understand the historical significance of ETFs in shaping the Bitcoin market. The launch of Bitcoin spot ETFs has been a watershed moment in the cryptocurrency's history. It signals a move towards structural maturity in the Bitcoin market and broadens the spectrum of investment tools. Theoretically, the advent of these new ETFs could dampen Bitcoin's infamous volatility by offering more advanced and user-friendly investment and trading mechanisms. The introduction of spot ETFs into the Bitcoin market prompts a slew of fundamental changes poised to profoundly alter its dynamics. Spot ETFs have triggered a noticeable increase in the number of transactions, especially during specific times of the day that align with the ETF price recalculations. This pattern is significant. It shows that having a defined structure and predictable moments for price updates can sway when and how people decide to invest. By focusing transactions at specific times, it not only makes it easier for investors to know when to act, but could also contribute to a more stable market. Investors have clear, reliable reference points for decision-making. However, the effects of ETFs on the Bitcoin market extend beyond concentrating trading volumes. These tools are opening the door to the introduction of ETF options, a proposition that relevant exchanges are already considering. This initiative could further revolutionize the Bitcoin options market if approved, offering regulated options to a broader range of investors. It would not only increase the variety of investment options, but could also contribute to more liquidity and reduced volatility in the future. When observing the impact of spot ETFs on the Bitcoin market, the parallel with the historical evolution of ETFs in other sectors, like the gold market, is hard to ignore. Bitcoin spot ETFs promise to drive a similar evolution, attracting more investors and cementing Bitcoin's position in the financial sphere, much like gold ETFs transformed gold investment in the early 2000s. This milestone might herald an era of greater stability and structural maturity. While the future is inherently uncertain, the direction Bitcoin is taking with the introduction of these ETFs suggests a path towards deeper and more meaningful integration into the financial landscape. In this video, we've unpacked the potential impact of Bitcoin spot ETFs, their historical significance, and the fundamental changes they could bring to the Bitcoin market. We've also touched upon how they might open the door to Bitcoin ETF options, potentially revolutionizing the Bitcoin options market. Lastly, we've drawn parallels between the evolution of Bitcoin spot ETFs and their counterparts in other sectors. The future of Bitcoin seems to be on an intriguing path, and the introduction of these ETFs might just be the catalyst it needs. The story of Bitcoin continues to unfold, and it's never been more fascinating.